subscribe and share. Please, turn off the ad block, subscribe, and share. Links will be below for anyone wanting to support this channel.
Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of TechViewSnope. And today we are going to get into the notifications area within Windows 10 and specifically the settings. So as far as things goes, we are going to be using a beta version of Windows 10, and if anything changes between now and whenever it comes out within the next month or so, I will leave a outdated in the title and I will leave a link below to the updated video. But as far as that goes, let's jump into this. So with the notifications area in Windows 10, where is that? That is this little icon and it shows this. Plus you have the notifications for the actual apps. Taking a look at Windows 8's notifications, it's this area. It's basically the same, but you have this to show you the Windows notifications. You won't be able to get a third of what you use on Windows 10. So on Windows 10 they really flesh that one out and it's really helpful, especially if you use mailing and stuff like that. So with this, let's jump on into the settings. There's a few ways to do this. Is if you go to the notifications, you can go all settings, or you can go start and go to settings. Now in this case, what we need to do is go to system and then notifications. So the notifications area, what we're going to cover is basically in this area. So this first part is what quick actions you want. So for example, the quick actions are right here. I am using this in a VM, so I don't need this to have even a tablet mode, rotation lock, or anything like that. So let's switch that out to Bluetooth, and as you see here, now it has Bluetooth. But now I don't really want Bluetooth there. Let's switch it out to all settings, and as you may notice, it actually swapped that around with that. And if we go back to notifications, you can see that it swapped that around. Now let's say that we don't want to see this at all. We can collapse that and it shows this. Basically this bottom area, it may grow as time goes by, and this will allow you to just see what's important with your quick actions, or at least what they're calling quick actions. Right now that collapse and expand is a little bit useless because there's just not enough options, but again this will expand over time. So let's go into the next one, and if you go to the select which icons appear in the taskbar, you can actually tell it what icons you want appear down here. So for example, if I don't want a volume to show, I can click that and you notice here on the bottom right it went away. I want it back and it will show. So right here I want the task manager to show, and if it had an icon then it was shown, and I think it has to be on. Yeah, they have to work on that. Again, it's a beta, so there's that. But and let's say I want to have that showing and it will show right there. And if I wanted to, I can actually just turn on all the icons so they all show. Let's go back and let's go down to turn system icons on or off. And as you see here, we can actually go ahead and turn on and off the clock. So I don't want to see a clock, so there you go. Same thing with network and so on. Now this will come in handy when it comes to things like input indicator, stuff like that. That may come in handy if you got a touch screen. So let's go down to show apps notifications, and basically this will end up meaning that your notifications won't show. it just won't show. Whereas if we turn that on, then if we get notifications like mail or something, it'll show here that we got a notification. And this will be fleshed out by the time that full version comes out. And you can add upon this app list from getting apps from the store itself, the Windows Store. And per app, you can go and turn on and off the notifications, and you can go to advanced, and it depending on what it actually allows, you can actually say what you want to allow or not. But as far as that goes, that's pretty much about it. And again, I prefer this method over the old method. Again, the old method is this down here on the bottom right for Windows 10 or Windows 8. And this is old method. It's been around since Windows XP, I think, maybe even older. And if you notice, the Action Center is pretty much it as far as when it comes to these notifications, and you might have something like that. Again, as far as that goes, if you do have any questions or anything, then leave that down below in the comment section. If you want to add anything to this or just want to leave a comment, please feel free to do so down in the comment section. But if you like this, please leave a like, subscribe, share, and please feel free to share this with anyone that may need this information. And please feel free to look at the other videos and follow us on Twitter to find out when we post new videos. If you don't like this, please feel free to dislike and tell us why so we can fix it in future videos. Again, this has been Craig Bennett, founder of Tech Abuse. Hope you have a great day.